Here we go, they're off and they are racing. Prodigal Rain, a very good start. Prodigal Rain is leading. Small City at the second position. Dominus third. And Barber King at the fourth. At the fifth is Drure. Top five runners. So Prodigal Rain is still leading. Then is Small City, not much to separate these two as they are on the curve, sprinting down to the last raid. Dominus, what a recovery from Dominus, which has gone to the inside, has now stolen the top position. Dominus is leading and now looking comfortably placed at the top. Dominus is now cruising along, and Barber King is picking up also with Prodigal Rain trying to make a comeback. Prodigal Rain on the other side. Prodigal Rain at the end.